like the bird whisperer.
Good job. Hold still. It's
Hold
okay.
it up.
Oh,
Hold your cup up.
hold your cup like this so they can eat. Here, just hold still. Good
Oh,
job.
what a great picture. Oh, wow.
They're so thankful for their lunch.
Be careful.
They're hungry. That's right. Yeah, they're eating the stuff on the ground. So the ones on the rope need some food.
He's not afraid of them. That's pretty good.
It's okay. Oh, one wants to ride on you. It's okay.
Oh, wow.
It's okay, buddy.
Turn around and look at Mommy. Oh.
He just wanted some too. Good job, Asher. Be careful when you step that there's the birdies on the ground, okay? You're doing such a good job. It's okay. Hold still. It's okay. He's just hungry too. Good job. If you put your hand up, hold your hand up. Maybe he'll go up on the back on the rope. It's all right. There you go. Good job. Yeah. Give him a turn. There you. Yeah. It's okay. Oh, it's okay.